Good morning, students. Exercise 5.1, Question 3, Part 1. Shade the solution region for the following linear inequality in xy plane. Linear inequality is 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. The associated equation of this linear inequality is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Let it be named as equation 1. You can also call it as the corresponding equation of the inequality is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now you have to find intercepts, that is x intercept and y intercept. For x intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. When you find the x intercept, you have to put y equal to 0. And when you find the y intercept, you put x is equal to 0. So, for what is x intercept? The point at which the line cuts the x-axis is called x intercept. What is y intercept? The point on the line at which the line cuts the y-axis is called y-intercept. In this case, B is y-intercept and A is x-intercept. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. 2x plus 0, y की जगह 0 is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, x is equal to 6 by 2, x is equal to 3. So x-intercept A has coordinates. First you write x coordinate, that is 3, and at the second place you write y coordinate, which is 0. So x-intercept is at point A, the coordinates of which are 3 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 1. 2 into 0 plus y equals 6. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus y is equal to 6. So y-intercept, which is at point B, has coordinates. First write down x coordinate, which is 0, and at the second place y coordinate, which is 6. After calculating intercepts, let us take 0, 0. 0, 0 is at origin. 0, 0 origin has points 0, 0 coordinates 0, 0. Take 0, 0 as test point because it is not on the line. This is the line and you say 0, 0, which is this point, is not on the line. So 2 into in place of x put 0 plus y is also 0, is less than or equal to 6. Now you see 0 plus 0 is less than 6. Here it is also less than or equal to, but here only it is less than, because 0 is less than 6, it can never be equal to 6. So 0 is less than 6 is true. You see, I haven't put here is less than or equal to, because 0 cannot be equal to 6, but it is less than 6. True. If this is true, it means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. When this is true, the shaded area is towards the origin. When it is false, the shaded region is away from the origin. So let us draw xy plane, horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis, x dash, positive direction of the x-axis negative, y dash, positive y direction, negative y direction. Here is the point which is called origin, denoted by O. So first x-intercept is 3, 0. On the plane, on the x-axis and y-axis, we draw equidistant points. Equidistant point means points having equal distances like this. I have used, in fact, 1 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, students, 3, 0 along the on x-axis, x coordinate is 3 and y is 0. No distance moved along y-axis. So, this point is 3, 0. Now, y-intercept is 0, 6. Y-intercept mean where the line cuts the y-axis. 0, 6, you see, along x-axis no distance moved, along y-axis 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So draw a line. On both the ends of the line draw arrows. Because this is true, so it will be towards the origin. Had it been false, it would have been away from the origin. Question 3 part 2. Shade the solution region for the following linear inequality in xy plane. Linear inequality is 3x plus 7y is greater than or equal to 21. The corresponding equation of this linear inequality is, or the associated equation of this inequality is, 3x plus 7y is equal to 21. This is equation 1. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0. For x-intercept, always put y0, and for y-intercept, always put x is equal to 0. X-intercept means the point on the line at x-axis which cuts the x-axis at that point. Y-intercept means the point on the line which cuts the y-axis, which is point B in this case. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1, 3x plus 7 into 0 is equal to 21. 7 zeros are 0. 3x plus 0 is 3x is equal to 21, dividing both sides by 3. 3x over 3, 3 cancelled with 3, 21 over 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, so x is 7. So x-intercept, which is point A, has coordinates. First write x coordinate and then write y coordinate, that is 7 and 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 1, 3x, 3 zeros are 0, plus 7y is equal to 21. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 7y is 7y is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 7, 7y over 7y, 21 over 7, 7 3s are 21. So y-intercept, that is B, has coordinates. First write x coordinate, which is 0, then write y coordinate, which is 3. Now take 0, 0 as a test point because it is not on the line. You see, origin has coordinate 0, 0. It is not on the line. So putting 3x, 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 is greater than or equal to 21. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 21. You see, 0 is neither greater than 21 nor it is equal to 21. So this is false. It means the closed half plane not containing 0, 0 is the solution region. If it had been true, then the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region, but in this case it is false, it is not containing. Not containing means that it will not be shaded towards origin 0, 0, but it will be shaded away from the origin. Question 3, part 3. 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. The associated equation of the inequality is, or you can say the corresponding equation of the inequality is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Let it be named as equation 1. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. 3x minus 2 into 0 equals 6. 2 zeros are 0. 3x minus 0 is 3x is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 3, 3x over 3 is x. 6 over 3, 3 2s are 6, x is equal to 2. So x-intercept, that is point A, has coordinates. First write x coordinate 2, then write y coordinate 0. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in equation 1. 3 into 0 minus 2y is equal to 6. 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 2y is minus 2y is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by minus 2. Minus 2y over minus 2. Minus 2 cancelled with minus 2. So y is left is equal to 6 over minus 2. 2 3s are 6. Y is equal to minus 3. So y-intercept, which is point B, has coordinates. First write x coordinate, that is 0, and at second place in the ordered pair write y coordinate, which is minus 3. Take 0, 0 as test point because it is not on the line. You say this is origin. This is origin which has coordinates 0, 0, and it is not on the line. This is the line 3x minus 2y. So putting x is equal to 0, 3 into 0, minus 2y minus 2 into 0 is greater than or equal to 6. 0 minus 0 is 0, is greater than or equal to 6, which is false. 0 is neither greater than 6 nor 0 is equal to 6. It means the closed half plane. The closed half plane not containing 0, 0 is the solution region. Not containing means that it is not towards origin, that is 0, 0. Instead, it is away. It means not containing 0, 0. Question 3, part 4. 5x minus 4y is less than or equal to 20. The associated equation of the inequality is 5x minus 4y is equal to 20. This is equation 1. For x-intercept, putting y is equal to 0 in 1. 5x minus 4 into 0 is equal to 20. 4 zeros are 0. 5x minus 0 is 5x is equal to 20. Dividing both sides by 5. 5x over 5. 5 cancelled with 5. X 20 over 5. 5 4s are 20. X is equal to 4. So x-intercept is point A. First write 4, then write 0 because first is x coordinate and at the second place is y coordinate. For y-intercept, putting x is equal to 0 in 1. 5 into 0 minus 4y is equal to 20. 5 zeros are 0. 0 minus 4y is minus 4y is equal to 20. Dividing both sides by minus 4. Minus 4 over minus 4y. Minus 4y over minus 4. Cancel minus 4. Y is equal to 20 over minus 4. 4 5s are 20. So y is equal to minus 5. So y-intercept is 0 and minus 5. Take 0, 0 as test point because it is not on the line. This is origin which has coordinates 0, 0. This is the line. 0, 0 is not on the line. It is at the mid. So putting 0, 0, putting x is equal to 0, minus 4 into 0 is less than 20. Here it is less than or equal to. Here I have written only less than because 0 is less than 20. It is not equal to 20. So don't write here sign of equality, only less than. This is true. If it is true, it means the closed half plane containing point 0, 0 is the solution region. I mean to say it will be towards the origin. First of all, you see, draw axis and y axis. Here is positive direction of x axis minus negative direction of x axis, positive direction of y axis and negative direction of y axis. On each of the axes, draw equidistant points. Now, x-intercept 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point which represents 4, 0. Y-intercept 0 and minus 5. Minus 5 downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 and minus 5. This is x-intercept. X-intercept means the point on the line which cuts through which the line passes. The line which cuts the x-axis at this point is called x-intercept. The point at which the line cuts the y-axis is called y-intercept. So this is the shaded region. Question 3 part 5. 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. The associated or the corresponding equation of this inequality is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, that is transpose constant to the right hand side. Dividing both sides by 2, 2 cancelled with 2, minus 1 over 2. Take 0, 0 as a test point because it is not on the line. This is the line 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 0, 0 is not on this line, 0, 0 lies here. So 2x 0 plus there is no y, so we do not need to put this 0 because there is no y, plus 1 is greater than 0. Here it is greater than or equal to. Here it is only greater than because this number is greater than this and not equal to this. Two zeros are 0 plus 1 is greater than 0. You see, 1 is greater than 0. 1 is not equal to 0. That is why we have omitted is equal to. This is true. If it is true, it means the closed half plane containing 0, 0 is the solution region. So it will be towards 0, 0 because it contains 0, 0. Three y minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. The corresponding equation of this inequality is, or you can say the associated equation of this inequality is 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Transpose constant term to right hand side, 3y is equal to positive 4. Dividing both sides by 3, 3 cancelled with 3, y is equal to 4 by 3. Now divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3, remainder is 1. So you will write it y is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. Take 0 0 as a test point because it is not on the line. Here there is no x, so no need to put this value. There is y, so put here 3 into 0, 3y minus 4 is less than 0. Here it is less than or equal to, we have written here only less than because minus 4 is less than 0. It is not equal to 0. That is why we are going to omit sign of equality. This is true because minus 4 is less than 0. It means the closed half plane containing 0 0 is the solution region. That is, the solution region will be towards the origin which has coordinates 0 0. So this is xy plane. Let us mark equidistant points on the plane. Now you see y is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. Equidistant point 1, 2, 3. 1 whole, this is included. 1 by 3. In this, we have divided this segment into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3 means up to here. 1 whole 1 by 3 is up to here. Because this is less than this, so we will shade towards the origin.